Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product, which is right here. Pretty much what it is right here is the weighted blanket. And if you guys seen a lot of these online on like Kickstarter or anything, it's been a really big trend that's been going on, and I actually was able to get one of these products from the brand called Sleeper. If you guys never heard of them, it's not a surprise because they're not a well-known brand. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what it looks like and how big it is first, and then we'll actually test it out. So the inside, you guys can see when you guys open the zipper, this is what is inside. So for this one in my hand, it's actually 15 pounds, so that's actually really heavy. Let me actually take it out right now first. So first thing you get inside is this little instruction guide on how to set up and how to use the product and how to clean it and all that good stuff. Alright, so here we have the blanket. This is actually really heavy. Kind of feels like the same weight that you guys would be feeling when you guys actually, when you guys do your x-ray and stuff, they put that thing on you. This is what it kind of feels like, but in a comfortable way. So this is how big the product actually is. It's so long that you guys can actually see it in the video, but it's actually really long. Like, it's longer than how tall I am, if that helps. And I'm actually 5'9", so that's even taller than that. So I don't even need to lay down right now to actually feel it, but just having like this actually feels really comfortable already, just as it is. So I can totally imagine what it feels like to actually have this on. So let me actually go test it out real quick and see how well it feels and whatnot. That was one of the best feelings ever. Like, just having this blanket when I actually just like laid down in the bed just for less than a minute, it felt amazing. It felt like I could fall asleep so much easier. So I could totally see why so many people want to buy one of these, are interested to actually get one of these, and actually feels really nice. So pretty much the material that's in here that's used to make this product is cotton, polyester, and glass bead. So the inside of each individual ones right here is actually glass bead inside, and there's a polyester layer inside, and the outer layer is actually cotton. So that's what's pretty much on this product. So for $70, I have to say that it's actually quite worth it because of how amazing this blanket is. It's not like a regular blanket where it doesn't keep you warm. It actually keeps you warm and actually feels heavy. It's not heavy to the point where actually it will squish you or destroy you or whatever. It's actually so heavy to the point where it actually feels really relaxed, and it feels like someone's actually hugging you or hovering over you, so that way you feel that like lovey feeling, I guess. But it's a really good feeling, and I actually did not want to get up from that after less than a minute because it felt so good. So with that being said, I have to say that this product is really worth it. I just wish that it didn't cost so much, because for $70 it's quite pricey, especially for some of you guys who can't really afford that or don't want to pay that much for a blanket. Because for me, when I first saw like something like this, I was like, wait, why am I paying like over $100 or $80 for a blanket when I could just put like layers on layers and layers of blanket on top of me? But the thing is that having one blanket, or this blanket in particular, the way they made it, it has equal distribution within the blanket, so it actually feels really comfortable and actually keep you really relaxed. And I don't know what else to say, but this thing is actually really amazing. Like, you won't know until you actually try it. Like I said earlier, I actually was hesitant until I actually buy one of these products, and now I actually got one of these, and I actually want to use it every single day now when I just want to knock out or take a quick nap or something, because it's so nice and really helpful. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have